Now, as you are going towards the incisal, you change the angulation. Okay? And go back to plane 1. Plane 2. Okay? Now, blow. I thought you're gonna blow. Blow. 1.8. Okay. So, I'm working here already. Okay, I'm working here already. So how would we know the reduction is okay? That's why I'm telling you the adjacent is very important. You always base your reduction with the adjacent. Now, if you did not reduce properly on the labial, you end up, when you cement your jacket crown will be higher than the adjacent. So this one is correct. Look at the side. Look at the side. Okay? Going towards the lingual. Because you have 1.2, 1.5. So it's going towards the lingual. So when you're approaching the proximal, round it off, round it off, round it off. Okay? Incisal reduction. I want you to cut it flat 1 millimeter first. Cut it 1 millimeter flat. Remember what I told you? It's about the same height as the lateral. Finished product should be a little bit shorter than the lateral. See? Okay, it's a flat reduction. Then angulate at 45 degrees. Okay? So that when you occlude, you still have an overbite. You still have an overbite. You still have an overbite, right? But the space is on the lingual. That's why we angulate at 45 to get the necessary space on the lingual. What happens if you do not have a space on the lingual? You just keep on biting the jacket crown. Okay, just keep on biting the jacket crown. Incisal reduction. Then turn your roach carver. We do the plane 2 lingual. This is the marginal ridge. We do not need the marginal ridge on the lingual anymore because this will hamper the space on the lingual. So what we do is we incorporate it with the fossa. So we remove up to the marginal ridge. Okay? Now when you make your fossa, this is your central incisor. Okay? Do not make a very deep reduction. Okay? Just want a slight reduction of the fossa. Okay? Slight reduction. So remove the marginal ridge and reduce. Okay? Reduce.
Tapos na yung buwan siya.
Paano ba? Now when you're doing the fossa, I want you to get your cast and occlude. See? You should have a space there. Should have a space. Okay? Should have a space. Para sa jacket crown po yung space. Then after that, we're gonna do plain 1. Look at the cingulum. Follow the angulation of the cingulum. Do not do like this. Otherwise, you create an undercut. This is one term that you almost do every time. Undercut. Undercut is a mortal sin in your reduction. Undercut. What's an undercut? In the finish line, like this for example, you have an undercut. That is not allowed. No undercuts. No undercuts. So follow the angulation, follow the finish line, and reduce. Okay? Look at the shape of the cingulum. It's not V-shaped. It's rounded. Funny. It's rounded. Okay? And you do that. You reduce that until you reach this one. It's small. This is the finished product. Everything rounded. This is subgingival. You can see the finish line, right? See the finish line? Now, before you go home, what time is it?
1:30. We'll go home.
What time is our class? 1:30. Before you go home, you take a picture of this one. And this will be your assignment over the weekend. So that Monday, I will just check your work. Or make any improvements in this one. Okay? If you happen to fracture this one, you can do on the other side. Okay?
Which tooth,
Do on the other side.
Which tooth? Which teeth?
To one.
To one.
Then, Monday, I'm gonna check your work. Or if there's anything that needs to be adjusted, I'll do it on Monday. Then come Saturday of next week, we are going to start with the IC. Remember, everything will be mouth mirror. So if you're having problems holding it, you will have problems with the mouth mirror. Okay, especially on the lingual.